two websites that feel illegal to know. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you about these two websites that are very best and you guys should know about that. So the first website will be the moo.bg. So if I let you simply go to Google Chrome, or you guys can use any browser. Here I will search for remove.bg. So you can simply search for remove.bg. Here you guys will see first website remove.bg. So simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see that type of interface. So simply click on upload image and upload your image that have background, and it will remove it background for an image automatically. So that's how you guys can use it. The second website was photopy.com. So basically it was Photoshop alternative but online version where you guys can edit images and you guys have a lot of tools access on that website. So that website is very useful and you guys can use it. Thanks for watching.